Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be playing with the makeup that we unboxed last week. Both boxes were from the 90s Baby Cosmetics brand, and I did a mystery box, and I also unboxed their Sanderson Sisters bundle, which is so amazing, and we are playing with that today. So if you guys didn't watch the double unboxing, it's going to be linked down below, but we did receive this beautiful palette right here, and we used it on the eyes today. We used a couple of glitters and stuff that came in the mystery box. We used the lash glue, everything that came, almost everything that came in those boxes we used today. So if you're interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching. If you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and let's just get into this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with eyebrows. So this is the hat I'm gonna wear, and my mom actually purchased this for me at CVS. And it's like this kind of just thing, it's a headband. Okay, so she wanted me to wear it, so I'm actually gonna try to do a purple look. Whatever look comes out, I'm still gonna wear it, but this is the hat I'm gonna wear. I'm not gonna wear it right now because this little thing is gonna be in my face. Just gonna go ahead and throw on my ears here, and I do have the headbands that we got, the purple and the pink. Is it gonna cut off my circulation? Maybe, but guess what we have? We have candy, because in the mystery box and the other box we got candy, so why not eat one on camera with you guys? If you have candy, cheers. I'm also wearing one of the little stud earrings that we got, really cute. The stickers right there is, oh my god. It's sour. It just hit me. This is a sticker that came in the Sanderson Sisters bundle. Really cute. Decided to put it on my mirror. It just fits the theme, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows using my Slim Brow and my Amuse Cosmetics eyebrow powder. Okay, so there's the outline. Now just to fill them in. Eyes are primed and ready to go. We're gonna go in with the Sanderson Sisters palette that I mentioned to you guys in the unboxing video. Those are the shades. Again, I'm not gonna swatch them today because the wipes that I have are the ones that suck. Okay, so I'm not gonna put myself through that, and I already swatched them for my TikTok anyway, so they are on my TikTok if you want to see up close swatches. In the description I have a link to my TikTok, so it's just fast. You don't even need to like have an account to see it. But yeah, so these are the shades, really gorgeous. I honestly don't know what to do, but I just kind of want to go with it and see what happens. And then we also got the glitter, so we got this beautiful iridescent one, and then we got this like purpley kind of situation, so we have a lot to play with. Here is a closer look at the shadows. They are gorgeous, so pretty. So what color should we start with? I'm thinking that beautiful yellow, right? Like, it's so beautiful. So let's see how that yellow builds up. Kind of patting it on the eyes so we could get as much pigment as we can. Ooh, that color is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take that orange kind of shade, building that up in the crease. So far so good. The shades are really pigmented, really nice, blending out really nicely as well. Going into that more raspberry shade. I love these types of shades. They're just so pretty, kind of deepening that outer corner some more, creating a sunset look. I know exactly what I want to do now. Yay, I'm excited. These are blending nicely. You could still see all the colors under there. They're not like meshing together. You could still see the yellow, you could see the orange, and now that raspberry tone, and it's gorgeous. With that orange shimmer so far, it's so pretty. Okay, so that is that shimmer after use, and yeah. So it was pretty easy to apply with the brush. I did get a little bit of fallout. It is like a glitter kind of situation, as well as this shade here. So but you see how this one's a little more chunky? It's more like a like glitter with gel or something. It is easy to apply with the brush. I didn't want to use my fingers because it does stick to your fingers when you swatch it and stuff, but it looks really pretty. Hopefully it stays on the lid. I didn't use any kind of adhesive or anything. I just stuck it to the concealer that I had put down. Not sure if I'm going to use the purple. I don't know. Mixing that orange and raspberry to deepen out the outer corner. These shades are working so beautifully together, and it's just so easy to build up. It's a really nice palette. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit up here. The glitter is kind of going everywhere as expected. I didn't put an adhesive down, so it's okay. And then grabbing a little bit of that yellow that we took in the beginning just to blend out the edges. It's so pretty. And again, that yellow showing up really nicely. Okay, so that is the iridescent glitter thing that we got in the bundle for the Sanderson sisters, and it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Artista liner now. Okay, I went ahead and created the wing using the Artista liner. I thought it was gonna be difficult because of the glitter, but it just glided on nicely, so okay. I'm going in with the fat lash from the Amuse site, and then we're gonna throw on the lashes right now. So these are the lashes we're gonna put on, and like I mentioned in Tuesday's video, this is the Sarah eyelashes. So there they are, really fluffy, and we're gonna see how they look on the eye right now. And then we also received this in the mystery box, and it's just a star glue. It's just a lash adhesive, so we're gonna see how this works. Hopefully I don't have to cut them because I didn't bring my scissors. I am back. The lashes are on. I have to say, I had to get up and get my scissors because they were too long for my eyes, so I did cut them a bit on the ends. I have to say, this glue is just not it. Do not pick this up, even if it's $1. No, it's just like the application. First of all, it's like this, but it's like super liquidy, so you press on it and a bunch comes out. It's just not good. So honestly, get the AOA one. This one works just fine. It's super easy to apply, and it has a nice applicator to put on the lashes, and it's just easy. This sucked, so no thank you. But that came in the mystery box, and honestly I didn't like it, so I didn't use it. I used it only for one lash, and it was a disaster. So now these are the Sarah lashes. I think these are really pretty. They're really fluffy. They are really dramatic. I'm gonna go right into face. I'm gonna use my AOA Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer from the Amuse site. I'm trying to use this up. I really like it. Just feels really nice on the skin, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Foundation, we're gonna go into the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation. You guys know I love this foundation. It's so good. I love it, and I use mine in FS 7.0. So the brand Base Blue Cosmetics actually sent me a bunch of products. They sent me some brushes, some sponges, so I am trying to use stuff before my massive drugstore haul video, where I'm going to be mentioning to you guys what I purchased, what was sent to me, and stuff like that. But I am trying this out today, and I used it yesterday, and it was really nice. And this is one of their sponges, and yeah, so it gets really big and fluffy. We're going to use this today so you guys can see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and throw on foundation here. Now I do feel like the sponge did soak up some product, so I'm just going to throw on a little bit more, but it is blending the foundation really nicely. And again, like, what sponge doesn't soak up product? But look at that, it looks so good. Going in with my LA Colors color correcting concealer, and then some of the Covergirl concealer, my fave. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Profusion Pro Contour Kit. You guys have not seen this for a while, okay? I either haven't been showing it or I've been using my Wet n Wild one, but oh my god. So since the last time you guys saw this, I had pan on 2 powders, and now look at that. It's 4 now. I use this so much. They sell these at Five Below. I'm sure they sell them everywhere else, but this is so good and I love it. I love it. I hit pan on all 4 powders because I just use them to death. So yeah, I'm gonna have to repurchase it soon. but it's so good and only like $4.99. Going in with the LA Colors pressed powder in nude. You guys know I wasn't the biggest fan of this, but it's kind of growing on me. It's like a no fuss, no mess kind of situation. You just throw it on and go, and it just makes my foundations match my skin tone. So going in with my Amuse eyeliner. Now I am going to take that purple shimmer and throw it under the lash line. I want to see how it looks on there. So I'm going to take some and go ahead and blend it out. It is a shimmer shade, but it's working really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some blush from the Ulta Beauty face palette. It's just creating this beautiful pinky hue. It's so gorgeous. I love blush. Taking the Revolution times Soph palette, and this one just contains so many gorgeous shades in here. I'm going to take this purple and throw it in the inner corner, and then we're just going to go in with like the 2 light shades for the highlight for today. And I'm really loving how this look is coming out, honestly. So some purple. It's just like an icy kind of shade. It's so pretty. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips first with the Ebony New York Auto Lip Liner. You guys know I love these, and this is just in the shade Taupe. I'm going to throw on some Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Wine Not. Such a gorgeous shade. Definitely one of my favorites. I love this formula. You guys know I always rave about them. I think it looks good like that. I was going to add some of the gloss that we got from the, was it the mystery box? Yeah, the mystery box. And I just don't feel like it. I feel like I want a matte look today, so I'm just gonna skip this. It's just a clear gloss. So, and last but not least, we're gonna throw on some setting spray, and I'm using the e.l.f. setting mist. So this is the final look. I think this is really cute. I was gonna wear the little hat, but this thing is gonna be in my face, so I'm just wearing the other ears. And honestly, let's talk about the palette. So like you guys know, we used this palette today. It was really nice. The shades blended really nicely on the eyes, and it's such a gorgeous palette. So don't get me wrong, the look looks really nice. It looks really pigmented, and it looks really nice. I really like the look. I just wish they would have added some shimmers in here instead of the glitters, just because I know a lot of people are not comfortable using glitters, especially around the eye area. So, you know, it's kind of, but other than that, like the pigmentation is incredible. The blendability, amazing. Like everything about the palette is gorgeous. It's just the glitters, which I honestly, as a consumer, did not even notice it had glitter. I wasn't even looking at it like that. Like once I got it, I was like, oh, okay. But the day of purchase, I purchased it as soon as it came out. I didn't even notice it had glitters in it. So, but who cares? Like the look looks really nice. So if you're not a glitter person, maybe, you know, take out the shadows if you really want this palette and replace them with some kind of like shimmer that you like. I know a lot of people do that with ColourPop palettes and stuff, but this is such a beautiful formula. I love it. I love the color scheme. Just everything about it worked amazingly. And like I mentioned, I used this as well, and it just looks so pretty. It is a little thicker than glitter. The other glitter is just, it went all over the place. I was not feeling that today, so I decided to go with this, and this was a little easier to apply. Yeah, that is all for today. I am living for this look. I really enjoyed everything we used today. Honestly, it was pretty easy to just throw on and go. The only thing that took a little while was just applying the glitter, just applying this, but it's worth it. It's so gorgeous. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. It's going to be linked down below if you want to check out their Sanderson Sisters bundle. It's so beautiful, and if you guys want to see the unboxing, it's also linked down below. So we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that went up last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there so we could become friends. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.